Hello great people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we are going to do a retwist and I will be showing a nice and quick way of doing a retwist by use of water and oil. So like my work, comment and share to your friends and stay locked to the end. Welcome guys. Right guys, we are going to begin by wash. So let's kick off by wetting the hair. So you can close the drainage passage just to hold water in the basin that way, so that you can soak all the lock strands. Remember, our lock strands are very long. So before applying shampoo, let's try and rinse out the first wash. Now let's apply shampoo, our first ounce of shampoo. And the good thing about this shampoo is that it contains tea tree oil. And tea tree oil, guys, is helpful because it has the essential nutrients which helps to break the oil and dirt particles, as well as, getting rid of any buildups which might be on the scalp surface. Massage thoroughly to get rid of any buildups which might be on the scalp surface. As well as on the lock strands. And just to tip you guys, whenever you are doing your wash, don't use your nails to do the wash, guys. Try and use your cushions. These are the cushions, your finger cushions. Try and use your cushions and your palms. You can use your palms to do the massage movements, as well as your cushions, just to thumbnail the scalp, so that you can get rid of the the buildups which might be on the scalp surface, as well as on the hair cuticles. Try thumbnail while tilting your thumbs in a circular movements. So guys, this is our second ounce of shampoo. So let's apply the final ounce of shampoo. You can soak some the water so that it can go to the rest of the lock strands. Then begin your wash, guys, by thumbnailing, using your cushions on your fingers. You can as well, guys, palm knit that way in circular movements all the way to the back. Then palm knit backwards all the way to the front that way. Then repeat the procedure to the back once more, and all the way to the front that way, guys. You can as well thumb knit the hairline that way. Remember guys, we are trying to massage so that we can activate the reaction of the shampoo on the lock strands as well as on the scalp, so as to get rid of the buildups as well as dirt and oil. You don't have to fight with the scalp and the lock strands. Just be gentle and shampoo will take its own course and take care of the dirt and oil. Alright guys, now we have just done the shampooing. Our next part is the treatment part. Guys, we are going to do a leave-in treatment so that we can pump in moisture, more moisture that is, on the scalp as well as the LOCS strands. Remember that the treatment also contains some essential nutrients which helps to activate the hormones on the scalp as well as along the LOCS strands, so that hormonal activity can take place. Make sure you spread the leave-in treatment along the LOCS strands as well. So let's try and spread the treatment along the LOCS strands. Make sure you massage, starting with the scalp. Massage your LOCS strands for almost 10 minutes. This is to enable the treatment to spread in the hair and the LOCS strands as well. So let's quickly apply the oil. I'm gonna use my tint pot. And have a look how the oil looks like. Apply the mixture on the scalp surface. You're going to begin with the scalp surface. Thereafter, we can spread along the LOCS strands. So let's spread the oil along the LOCS strands as well. So we are going to massage it as well, guys, so that you can ensure that the oil spreads evenly. We also need to massage a little bit so that we can spread the oil on the scalp surface as well as along the LOCS strands. Remember that, guys, we have just used castor and some coconut mix. And just to talk a little bit about the mixture, is that with the coconut, it has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. It as well, guys, hydrates the hair as well as repairing the skin. So it cures the skin. Now, on the other hand, the castor oil now gives us that grip in our styling. And you realize that castor oil acts as a sealant. It also has omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which helps in repairing thinning locks as well as activating hormonal activities on the scalp surface for multiplication of hair strands. So let's go ahead and kick off our retwist part. All right, guys, when we talk about retwist with the water and oil, this is what we mean. Guys, you can have a look on both sides. You can have a look how the hair strands are getting grip on the scalp surface. You can have a close look, guys. This is truly amazing, guys. Now have a look on this side. I've as well done this side, just trying to showcase what I've been doing. Have a look on the scalp surface. The LOCS strands are well in place. And remember, guys, no wax, no gel we have used. We are just trying to use water and oil. And this is a nice technique to adopt. So, guys, what do you need to come up with these results? And remember that we have some techniques on trying to curl the roots so that the hair does not unravel. So Guys, what you need is just a bottle of water. Remember, we had done the treatment. Thereafter, we oiled the scalp using the two oils, that is a mixture of castor oil with coconut, and is a very nice blend. And we talked about the essentials of such products. Guys, what you need, you just need water. Just need to spray water as you go on and on. Remember, we need to lock the hair while it's dripping wet, so just apply some moisture that way. Then go ahead, guys, you don't need any tools. You don't need tools at all. Go ahead and twist your LOCS strands around that way. Create that knot at the bottom, which prevents the LOCS strands from unwinding. That way, guys. Twist your LOCS strands while smoothing the ends along the LOCS strands as you work backwards. That way, guys. You see, that way, all the way to that area. Then attach it at the back. Let's twist another LOCS strand that way. It's a quick process, guys, for our beginners. You can have a look how the LOCS strand looks like. Now the castor hands in that grip, while the coconut now brings in that touch of, penetrating touch, and the castor now goes ahead and seals the coconut oil inside the hair cuticles. You see, you interlock. When the growth is much accommodating, try and do a interlock that way, guys. Just to talk a little bit about the products, just to reiterate on what you were just talking about as we began. We said that our mixture contains coconut and castor, and we went ahead and highlighted that the coconut oil, since it's a penetrating oil, helps to repair the scalp, and it also hydrates the hair, so it's a penetrating oil. Guys, you will find that the coconut oil has some essential benefits, one being that it's antibacterial, it's also anti-inflammatory, and it is as well has some some antioxidant effects. So by using this product, it ensures that your hair remains highly hydrated. Let's add in some moisture as we continue. It ensures that your LOCS strands are well hydrated, as well as taking care of the scalp. Now the castor goes ahead, guys, and this is where the beauty comes in. The castor goes ahead and seals in the moisture, as well as providing some essential, benefits. That is the omega-6 and omega-9, which now provides the fatty acids, which helps in repairing the thinning locks, as well as activating the hormones in the skin for multiplication of, hair strands. So it ensures healthy hair growth. So guys, these two oils will truly touch your locking journey in an effective way. So kindly consider subscribing to my work, consider subscribing to my channel, like my work, comment and share to your friends. You can as well, guys, go ahead and join membership as a way of supporting the channel. So if you find some loose hair strands across, you can try and use your crochet tool to tuck in the loose hair strands. That way, guys. Let's go under the dryer for around 15 minutes. Then we can go ahead thereafter and examine end results. Alright guys, now we are done. You can have a quick look. Have a look on the scalp surface, how the scalp is glittering. Guys, this is wow guys. I don't have to talk a lot guys. I lack words to explain this. This is truly amazing. Guys, you can try out this maintenance technique. The LOCS ones seems to be, bouncy. Now guys, this is a quick way of maintaining your LOCS ones, and it's a healthy way that you can adopt, which keeps your build-ups off and ensures that you don't get used to those products which are heavy on the scalp surface, which can block the hair follicles, thus leading to a lot of itchiness. This is a nice way guys, since the oils are have got the best nutrients to your scalp and the hair as well. Now guys, adopt this method. It's a nice way of maintaining healthy locks. So let's go ahead guys on our next tutorial and show how we can style this kind of locks. Thank you guys for choosing to stay locked on my channel and watching my tutorial to the end. Kindly consider sharing to your friends, like my work and comment. Let's meet in the next tutorial for the styling part of it. Thank you.